If the idea of buying a very affordable land in Ekpe and getting extra free sounds so very good to you right now, then I bet you would want to watch this video till the very end, because in this video I'm going to be talking about a very interesting offer that I think would benefit you as a real estate investor in the Nigeria real estate market. So hey, watch this video to the end so that you can get the offer that I'm bringing to you today. Hi guys, hello. Yes, my name is Usman. Of course, I'm your Fab Lady Realtor for Niger Realty 24/7. And welcome to this YouTube channel once again. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your very first time of coming across this channel, I want to say to you especially welcome, and I want to say please subscribe to this YouTube channel, because you're going to be getting so many value as an investor in the real estate market. So don't just subscribe, ensure that you turn on your notification button so that when we put up a new video, you will be getting a lot, and then you have the opportunity to be the first set of people that will get the information that we put out here every day. All right, so speaking about the offer that I was talking about earlier, some couple of days ago I introduced to you guys Excel Garden. Today's video I want to officially introduce you guys to a property called Excel Garden, which is located in Igbonla in Ekpe in Lagos. Now, this property is not just only affordable, strategically located, it is also currently having an Easter promo going on, which I don't want you to miss out on. Yes, the promo is in two options. You can buy 6 and get 1 free, or you buy 3 plots and get half plot free. This is really a very amazing offer if you ask me, because the plot is selling at 1.2 million naira. That is about the most cheapest property right now in strategic located places in Ekpe. Now let's talk about the surroundings. I've done a video before now showing you guys the road network to the estate, how smooth and how accessible it is, and it is also not a far distance away from the popular St. Augustine University. In that particular video, I was able to explain how it is an advantage for you as an investor to buy into this particular property. And again, let's talk about the topology of the land. I like the way the land is. I like the way it is, where it is situated as far as I'm concerned, because you know that when it comes to real estate investment, we always say that location is key. Yes, it is very key almost anywhere in the world when it comes to investing in real estate. So yes, for those of you who are watching me, I just want to say to you that do not allow this promo to end before you key into it, because it is going to end on the 31st of April. Sorry, in my first video I said 30th. April is 31st. So 31st of April, that's when this promo is going to end. So I'm just here to remind you, congratulations by the way to those who are born. Thank you so much for trusting in me and buying. And for those who are yet to, put down their resources to buy into this, please, you still have time to do that. Now, 1.2 million naira for a plot. The promo can only be done for those people on outright basis only. You can only be part of the promo on outright basis only. So if you're buying your 6 plot, your 12 plot, or your 3 plots to get the extras, you have to pay within 3 months. Okay, within 3 months is the specific time for outright. For those who want to buy into the land but they don't want to do outright because they have so many resources at the time, they have so many things they are doing at the time with their resources. So I understand that. Now you have an installment plan for 12 months, which is 1,440,000 naira. So if you are buying on installment, you have to pay 1,440,000 naira. It means that you're paying 240,000 naira extra for that 1 year, which really is reasonable compared to what is obtainable around that place. So yes, this is one of the lands that I trust, that I say, okay, I really want you guys, when you're buying a land without title, especially in some places. But for Inekpe now, this is one of the places that I know that it is freehold and I can trust the company. Now, the one other thing I want to tell you guys before I go in this video is that for everybody buying into this property, there is a guarantee for you that the company is going to go ahead and process the title. Now, not all properties that are selling in Ekpe without title that the company is going to process the title. That is just the truth. Yes, that might sound new to you, but it's the truth. But this particular company, they are going to process the title. In fact, recently, less than a couple of days ago, I had this very serious heart-to-heart conversation with the MD, and he promised me that he is going to start very soon this year. He's going to put in the application for the COO. So yes, buying it cheaper now makes a lot of sense, because if you cannot afford to buy places like Itunu for 16 million, Lagoon Farm for 15 million naira, you can still own as many plots as possible in this particular estate. And when they are done processing the COO, if the COO is finally out, you pay. Yes, you are going to pay for it. It's not like you're not going to pay for it. You're going to pay for it, but it might not be as much or as high as when you're going to do it yourself, because they are doing it in bulk. Okay, so yes, I have a guarantee that on this property they're going to process the document. They're not going to leave you hanging. So many of these estates that are selling in no title lands in Ekpe, they will not process it. So many of them will tell you they will process. So many of them don't even have plans to process it. So, but some people don't ask that question. Some rentals don't ask the question, are you going to process it, or you're not going to process it? Some people don't even bother to process it. You just assume that they will process it. So many companies will not process it because they don't have such capacity to process a whole title. So you would have to maybe do it on your own. But for this particular one, I have asked this question and he assured me that they will do it on their own. But whether they are processing, for anyone that also processing, please have it at the back of your mind that you're going to still pay for the title at that time, not now. So whatever it is they spend, they'll come back and then kind of split it over to every subscriber. So please, I've seen people say, no, I will not pay. My realtor said I will not pay anything. You will. So if you have bought a untitled land in Bejuleki, when the title finally comes out, all those acquisition in process, you will pay a certain amount for the processing, because they use the money to acquire the title. So because if you don't, then it means that when you want to do anything on the land and you need to use the title, you can't have access to it. So they will hold you at your jaw and you have to still pay for it. Anyway, that's what just one side, just a tip on this conversation. So don't forget, you have now till 31st of April. You might be looking at it that you still have time. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we know these days how time flies so fast. So for the initial deposit, for those who are doing installment payment plan, you can have 200,000 naira, 300,000 naira as an initial deposit, depending on how convenient it is for you, and then how many plots you're putting in. Now, for those who are also going on outright, of course, it's 500,000 naira initial deposits, especially for those who are buying the 6 and get 1 free. Now, if you're buying the 6 and get 1 free, you need to call me. Let's have a conversation, because I know how it works. Some people might not have the 500,000 times 6, 3 million naira to deposit first, but let's just work something out to see what works for you and how it can work also for the company, because the essence is helping you get these things, making owning these lands as easy as possible. But the minimum deposit for the people on Instrumental is obviously it's 200,000 naira. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, I promised you guys that we're going to go to site and fix the signboard. So hey, ladies and gentlemen, let's see the signboard that has just been fixed on site, and for you to also know that I keep to my words. So can you guys say it? Yay! Yes. So they went back there and this has been fixed. I really appreciate the fact that they did that, and so you guys can see what I said, and then you see that I try to keep to my words. All right, thank you so much. Don't forget, 31st of April, these prices are changing. Don't let it change. Don't miss out on this promo. Honestly, I like the idea of buying something and then getting some extra free. It makes a lot of sense. It just gives you room to come on. It doesn't hurt for you to have 12 plots of land in Ekpe, and when it becomes 12 million naira per plot, 15 million, you're just gonna cash out. So hey, don't miss out on this one. Thank you so much for watching once again. My name is Goodness Usman. Of course, I remain your public director for Niger Realty 24/7. So I'll see you guys when you give me a call. Please call me. Let me help you reserve your plot. Stop watching I have to just say this again. Thank you. You people that will go to buy from your realtor. I know that people have their realtor, it's fine. But please, when you get my information and you not go and remember to call your realtor that is sleeping somewhere and then buy it from your realtor. Okay, you guys already know what I wanted to say. But thank you. And that's why, honestly, that's why I appreciate everyone who pick up their phone, who call me, who see my information, who listen to my advice, who consults with me and then patronizes me. I appreciate you guys way more than you guys can think. I said, I swear, I love you guys. I love you, love you guys. Because I know that some people who have known me for over a year and they come back to my page for updates, they come back to my page for informations, they take a lot of value from my page, but they still go and buy from somebody else. Why? I do not know. It's personal reasons to them. So, but those of you who are patronizing me and even referring me, oh my God, I love you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God will continue to honor you guys. God will continue to bless you. For those who are watching that are yet to buy, I know that I had identified that a lot of people have been watching my video but are yet to buy because they've not yet seen what works for them, or they bought some of these things before now. I appreciate you guys as well. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, everyone. All right, so give me a call. Let me help you reserve your plot in Vopnucity Excel Garden in Igbonla, Epe, Lagos State. Thank you once again. The title is Freehold. I'll see you when you give me a call. But until then, remain safe and awesome, just the way you are. So I have to go. I said to you, what double.